Hey guys, it's Fergie Code. I apologize in advance for the lack of polish and structure in this video. The past 2 weeks have been really busy, and I haven't really had a whole lot of time to make an actual video in the format that I usually do. Most of my time has been spent doing this, so I just wanted to give you all a video, show you all what I'm actually doing, and kind of out of breath right now, so please forgive me. Alright, so the basic thing is I finally got back into Unity after years of not doing any sort of game development, and what I'm essentially working on is a dynamic weather system. And I'm not going to say it directly, but if you take a look at the screen here, you can see what the end product is going to be for. So what I've been working on right now is, let's pull it up here, the wind and the sky system and the cloud system. And the cloud system hasn't been working all that well. So give you a quick overview. There are several main systems here, and each of these systems are going to have at least one or more scripts in it that will manage that particular system. And the sky wind manages the atmosphere and the sky. And I'll show you what that looks like here. Let me maximize on play. Boom. I'm going to flip around here. Try to find, oh, here we go. See, those particles represent just regular dust and everything. As you can see, they get moved around as if they're actually being carried by the wind. And that sun's really bright. I might have to lower that down. See, they can be lifted up, they can drop down, they can be moved around. If I turn off maximize on play, and I just do regular play here, we have high pressure systems and low pressure systems that manage all this stuff. So we can actually take a look here. The wind can actually be carried by how these pressure systems interact with each other. These pressure systems constantly rotate. As you can see, they're constantly rotating, and they rotate exactly how they would in the real world. And they're also constantly moving. If you take a look at the position X and Y here, and Z, they actually move up and down too. And that's basically what I've been going over so far. Let's take a look at the scripts. Alright, so atmosphere particle visualizer, file, open recent, scripts, cloud system, game manager, Skywind. Okay, so atmosphere. Alright, so the atmosphere script here is what actually sets up the atmosphere, and its goal is to fill the entire scene with air that can be manipulated by our wind and pressure systems. And then here, the pressure system actually manages the pressure systems that you see in the game on this side. Let me pull them back up again, and tells them how they move, how they interact, all that kind of stuff. So we go back here. Let me actually do this. There we go. And let's, that might not actually work. Okay. We'll put this back full screen. Alright. And I'll just zoom, and I'll just minimize this. Alright. Going back. The wind system, this actually manages how the wind actually works, and it's based off of how the air pressure systems interact with each other. Whenever the air pressure systems interact with each other, they target these scripts, and these scripts do whatever it is they need to do based on the way the pressure systems. And the weather system here basically is just a basic setup that allows the wind system and the pressure system to work. And of course we have air particle that spawns the actual air particles, and then we have the several visualizers, such as the atmosphere and the weather particle visualizer, all that, and the atmosphere visualizer, all that, which basically allows us to actually see what's going on here. Allows us to see what's going on in the game. Alright. The issue that I'm having right now, and the reason why I haven't been able to make a video about this yet, is I haven't been able to get the clouds to work right. As soon as I get the clouds to work right, I can move on to the other systems that we need in order to make this video. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working on so far. I might have to make a smaller video that I can do next week, but for now, yeah, you'll have a good one. I'll see you later. Bye. Times are tough, with rising costs for food, gas, housing, you name it. It's harder than ever to keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. That stress, I get it. It's overwhelming. That's why I'm working on Trinity Capital, the ultimate app for learning financial literacy. It's super realistic, with a clean design and built-in lessons to help you master your money. And the best part, it works on any device with an internet connection. Right now, you can test it for free. Join the Discord server, try it out, and help shape the app while it's still in development. The link's in the description, so check it out.